Hey guys, so yesterday I got a message from a customer who said that cubic zirconia is worth nothing compared to moissanite or other lab-grown gemstones, and I will strongly disagree with that because the production of cubic zirconia costs money, and also cubic zirconia is the most used gems in jewelry nowadays. So as a cubic zirconia seller, I learned that what clients are looking is first is of course affordability and some unique cut cubic zircon, or some unique color cubic zircon to make their jewelry. So as a moissanite seller myself, it's been tested that the hardness of moissanite is, I don't know, like 9 or something like that. It's harder than cubic zirconia. It might be true, but I have another video where I do like a smash test with a hammer, and I can tell you guys cubic zirconia is also as hard as moissanite. So for myself, I found a unique supplier who produce some inlay cubic zircon, which consists of cutting some cubic zirconia in different color and put them together to form one single gemstones. So I ordered like a bunch of cubic zircon from this manufacturer, and the minimum MOQ was 100, and they shipped them out. So let's unbox it. Here we go, guys. So for some reason, almost all the cubic zircon manufacturers, they like to wrap stone like that. I don't know why. It's probably because it's save some money, right? Instead of using like plastic packages. But anyway, guys, I got like a pretty good amount of stones right here. Let's open the package up. You bring all the stuff back here first. Let's see what we got here. And bang! Nice. Here we have, guys, our cubic zircon stone. Some inlay cubic zircon. Let's look at that one. Damn, that's a nice B-colored cubic zircon. See that, guys? Pixel cut, pure cut cubic zircon. So alright guys, so you will have to take pictures of your cubic zirconia, and now I will teach you how to edit your pictures, and also create a picture of your cubic zirconia in a white background. So in Photoshop, you're going to create a new file and use this setting right here, and the size of the picture will be like 1080, like a square pictures. Hit create. Now you have a square frame. You're gonna put the pictures of your gemstones right here. Hit OK, and then what we are going to do, we are going to mask. You can either use these tools right here, but like draw a circle, the classic way, or you can use this selection tools. Just hit select, and it's going to do like the selection by itself. Hit this button right here, select and mask. Like play around with a little bit with those setting, right, and see what you like. So for me, it will be that. can change the view right here, like make it like that or like that, so you can see it better. Hit OK, and that's it for me. So once you have this thing right here, right, first we're going to create a background color, which is pure white for me. Put it behind the stone, right? And once we are going to use a plugin which is called Topaz AI to sharpen up the details of the gemstones, and it's a great application. And for the enhancement, I usually use the denoise and the sharpen button. So I tend to play a little bit with the setting, right? Like you see, sometimes it's like too much, and then the sharpen, like make it like just make something that you feel like it's right. And then once it's done, like I kind of like how it looks, I export it into Adobe Photoshop. And so we're gonna first resize it. So you select the first layer, right? You hit Control T, and as simple as that, we're going to resize to the size you liked, like just like that, right? And that's it. So of course Topaz need to readjust the settings, and as you can see right here, it's a little bit dark, so we're gonna adjust that. We're gonna go to Image, Adjustment, and then go to Shadows and Highlight. So you're gonna play a little bit with the setting again, and you want to be you want to be like same as your gemstones, like don't be like too fake, or otherwise, like when the client will receive, like you can receive some complaint. So after that, we can adjust some more, maybe like adjust the brightness, like just trying to play around a little bit, find something that you like. And this is what I like. So if you wanna go into detail, like if you don't like those those bubbles, and this is really common in lab gemstones, like it has some bubbles, you can use these tools right here. It's called the mixer brush tools, and put the flow at probably at 22, and then just brush to create like a smoother surface. However, like this is just a tutorial. I will not like do the whole thing, right? Because it takes a lot of time. And anyway, you got the idea, right? So let's move forward. We're gonna create a reflection. Just hit this. First of all, we are going to convert to a smart object, and then we hold Alt on your keyboard and drag down, so it will make a copy of your layer. And you're going to be like playing around a little bit, like, and once you have like a copy, you're going to edit, transform, and flip it vertically so it matches the top. So once we're here, you're going to see what do you like, and I kind of like how it looks right now. I'm going to drag this layer down because it is the reflection, and then you are going to click on layer mask for the reflection. You're going to hit G on your keyboard, or just select this tool right here. You're gonna hold shift on your keyboard and drag the tools right in the, play a little bit around and see like what feels right to you, and then gonna hit OK. After that, we're going to apply a blurry filter on the reflection to make it more natural, I guess. And then gonna play a little bit around, see what fits you, and I think this is okay for me. So then now we are going to need some shadows over here. So we're going to be clicking on ellipse tool, like select shape, and gonna select back black color, and stroke option, that one. You're gonna create a little shadow effect. So once you got your shadow effect, going to hit like the Gaussian blur again, and we're going to play around with the opacity, which is over here, like not make it too much, right? And I'm going to click back, hit Ctrl T to adjust the size. If you don't like, you can hit Ctrl to make it thinner, or play with what feels right to you. I think that feels right to me. And we're going to apply, hit OK, add some more blurriness, I guess. And now we have our picture of our gemstones, guys. So we're going to be making more like outstanding. So we're going to apply some shiny effect on the gemstones. You're going to go to layer, create a new layer. So in the mode right here, you're going to select color dodge and fill with color dodge neutral color, which is black. The opacity will be like 100%. Hit OK. So go back to your brush tool, select the normal brush right here, and then adjust like size. So and then apply some shiny effect where there is some some light on the stones. So for these stones, it will be like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, and some here, and just try a little bit, add some more, and don't add it too much. And this is the after and before and after. If you like it, if you don't like it, you can adjust a little bit with the opacity right here. Once it is done, I go to File, Export, and Save for Web Legacy. So once you got all the correct details, I'm gonna hit Save As and select the folder you want to be saved at. Me it would be that one. And for the file name, this is I think this is overlooked. You wanna put your brands on it, and put as much details like what is this picture is about, and you're gonna separate with a slash instead of space. So for me, 8mm cubic zirconia inlay, because this is what this stone is about, round. And maybe the color, it's up to you, red and yellow. So why it is important to do this step because this will allow Google algorithm to know what your pictures is about, and probably it will be found on Google image. So here we are on Etsy. We are going to add a new listing that we made, and select all the things that need to be selected, and this is supply tools to make things, and write our title. For the title, I usually write the stones that the name of the stones first, because let me tell you guys why I usually write the stones. When someone is shopping on on Etsy, this is what they see right here. So guys, if you don't write the name of the stones in the beginning, like people they don't know what kind of stones. Like it could be crystal, like it could be like cubic zirconia, but this is a moissanite. So I usually write the name of the stone, and then probably like play around, like maybe write the size, and so guys, this is the most important when you list on any platform, to select all those information. And also for Etsy, the tag is important, but the description and the title is not the most important with for the SEO or ranking on Etsy. Actually, this is what will help to rank your listing on Etsy. So Etsy, like, they know what your item is about. So for me, it will be cubic zirconia, the color red. And one thing you don't want to do is, when you see it's too big, right? And then you go for jewelry like that, and this is wrong, because Etsy will target like just like that for jewelry, and it has nothing to do with your stone right here. And also I see, like, before I made the mistake, like I make like for women, like stuff like that, cubic zirconia for jewelry woman. I do this separately, and Etsy target those keywords. So alright guys, here's another tips. Once you have created your listing, your new cubic zirconia listing, I use an app called Nemble, which is a cross-listing app, so you can list it on other platforms as well. So here is the newly created listing. I'm just gonna hit publish and select the channels that I want this listing to be listed, which is for me will be Shopify and eBay. Hit publish, continue. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.